Welcome back to our series on the basics of neuroscience. I'm Brighty, and today we are going to explore the fundamental building blocks of the nervous system. Neurons. Let's dive in. Neurons are specialized cells responsible for transmitting information throughout the body. They have a unique structure that allows them to communicate effectively. First, let's look at the main parts of a neuron. Dendrites. These branched extensions receive signals from other neurons or sensory receptors. Cell body or soma. This part contains the nucleus and integrates signals received by the dendrites. Next we have the axon. Axon transmits electrical impulses away from the cell body to the other neurons, muscles or glands. Surrounding the axon is the myelin sheath, which insulates the axon and speeds up the signal transmission. Along the axon, we find the nerves of Renware, gaps in the myelin sheath that facilitate rapid conduction of nerve impulses. Finally, at the end of the axon are the axon terminals, which release neurotransmitters to communicate with other neurons or target cells. Neurons communicate through a combination of electrical and chemical signals. An action potential is an electrical impulse that travels down the axon when the neuron's membrane potential reaches a threshold. This is followed by synaptic transmission, where neurotransmitters are released into the synapse to convey the signal to the next cell. There are different types of neurons based on their function. Sensory neurons, motor neurons, and interneurons. Sensory neurons. These carry information from sensory receptors to the central nervous system. For example, rod and cone cells in the retina of the eye. Motor neurons. These transmit signals from the CNS to muscles or glands, including movement or secretions. Interneurons. These connect neurons within the CNS, processing information and coordinating responses. Understanding neurons is crucial for exploring how the nervous system functions, how we perceive the world, move, and even think. That's a brief overview of neurons, the basic units of the nervous system. In our next video, we will delve into how these neurons communicate through synaptic transmission. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share this video if you found it interesting. See you in the next video.